Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that's been generating a lot of buzz lately, the 2024 Audi Quattro Sport Coupe. Is it the legendary rally beast reborn, or just another rebadged A5? Let's dive in and find out. A storied past. The original Audi Quattro Sport was a homologation special built for Group B rallying in the 1980s. It was a savage, stripped-down machine that dominated the competition, until the entire category was banned due to its sheer brutality. So, bringing back that name is a bold move for Audi. Design evolution. Visually, the new Quattro Sport Coupe takes inspiration from its ancestor, but with a modern twist. The wide Quattro fenders are there, as are the aggressive intakes and the signature Quattro badge on the C-pillar. But the overall silhouette is sleeker and more aerodynamic, with a fastback roofline and hidden rear door handles. Power and performance. Under the hood, there are two engine options, a plug-in hybrid with a combined 375 horsepower and a full-blown RS version with a twin-turbo V6 pushing out a monstrous 700 horsepower. Both versions come with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. Of course, the hybrid offers impressive fuel economy and instant torque, while the RS model is all about blistering acceleration and track-ready handling. No matter which you choose, you're guaranteed a thrilling driving experience. Interior luxuries. Inside, the Quattro Sport Coupe is all about luxury and performance. The cabin is bathed in high-quality materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The seats are bolstered and supportive, and the driver-focused cockpit puts all the controls at your fingertips. There's a bevy of tech features too, including a virtual cockpit display, a head-up display, and a premium sound system. And of course, there's plenty of connectivity options to keep you entertained on the go. So, is the 2024 Audi Quattro Sport Coupe a worthy successor to the legendary name? I think so. It's a stunningly beautiful car with incredible performance and all the latest technology. It's not just a rebadged A5, it's a true driver's car that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Of course, it's not without its drawbacks. The price tag will likely be hefty, and the fuel economy of the RS model might not be for everyone. But if you're looking for a truly special car that combines heritage with cutting-edge technology, the 2024 Audi Quattro Sport Coupe is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching guys. What do you think of the new Quattro Sport Coupe? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content.